Hi, I'm Derek Levy. This song is called Rain in Manhattan. So, this song was actually inspired by a true story, one of somewhat self doubt in some ways, of somewhat negative feelings. But this song is also a keep your head up kind of song. It's a very, very optimistic looking song. This song was basically inspired by an event that happened in New York City in which I was kind of feeling a little bit down on myself. But then I realized that I just went outside, I just walked around a little bit, and then I saw a pond and a river. And then I looked around and then I realized how beautiful the world was. And this kind of was like the inspiration for my song, just to it's a beautiful melancholic piece to let you know that everything is going to be okay and that it's all going to get better at one point or another.
I wouldn't worry if I were you, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, you got so much to look for in your life. Like, I'm trying to say is that it's gonna get better and you really shouldn't just give up on yourself like that. You know? It reminds me of a time when I was in Manhattan school, right? And it was raining that day. And all my friends had their classes, right? And I just kind of felt alone. So what I did was I walked outside in the rain. And I walked. I walked near like a river. I don't know what it was called, but I remember vaguely walking near a park with a river in it. It was crazy. And it was so pretty. Because it was raining. And I just looked around the world. And I thought it was fine. Everything was fine. I knew my friends were gonna love me. I knew everyone was gonna, you know. I know it doesn't really seem like it makes much sense now, but you gotta trust me. I know it gets better.